guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Trust people for Europe, whereby he is number one culprit of that same thing where they find. Another person I get business with this year. Now I tell myself, say, out of my test schedule, I go still they give her small. I go still find Mama go, how Mama go take 4 shots, go eat the forbidden fruit. Now they are the JJJ, they take my tight schedule, they follow up. They see how event go they unfold, how they give my input, how they give my whatever to come beat that small boy where he say, now he get knowledge past everybody, where he say not go relent for that suicide mission where they put himself. Now there I put myself, JJJ, this year, my people. I just did my own JJJ. Now I say, one down, call Awainfo talk show. Go put my picture for a dirty program. What did she do? I go play the audio. Make una hear. Make una see say trouble they sleep. Yanga go wake am up. That is why I say I want beat her for her inferior knowledge. I will give her superior argument. When she not know rich, I go teach her. That is why I took my time today. I closed for work early. Say. I will go teach this woman of no repute, this one that just want to be noticed. He don't see what he go fit take come make the head noir to come get that cheap political scorecard to come say na Asa names. Now she want to climb. She want climb with Asa names. Welcome to the Hall of Shame. You go see how I go to beat you. You go know whether we'll be pushed over for that state or not. Henceforth, people of your kind, of your species, we know whether we are pushed over or we are equal stakeholder in that land. You will know. You go know. You go learn. People like you don't learn the hard way. You will learn the soft way, and that soft way go worse past the hard way. That's what I promise you. This nincompoop from the pit of hell. This idiotic, short, idiotic, hiding the dark woman. Hiding the dark. You had the effrontery. You had the, you dreamer, you thinker, you not fear. What did you call us? Disgruntled. You go know the meaning of disgruntled. You go know the gravity of the offense, what you bring out. The names you call us. The names will not, me, personally, I have not come to this place to call you people. I have never done it. Even though now they smell yaga. Now they ooze. Una dirty linen, they for public domain. Una dirty linen, they for public domain. Thank God for Facebook today. Who are the people selling themselves for peanuts? Are they essence? It's your so-called Benin men. Look at the antecedent from A to Z with the exemption of few. Look at your Benin men you was exported to the Western world today. Awainfo that talk show. Look at them. They couldn't work. They couldn't make anything useful of their life. All they seek for is where they will find bribery and corruption. Then these people will talk to they find good governance. Can good governance come from these people who me at the seat today? What moral values do these people have? Which moral value these people get when they call una men? Watch them in the cyberspace. Watch them. What do they have? What quality of reputable character they get? Where is that reputable character? They used to say among thieves, there used to be honor. But today, Your so-called men can be like anywhere belle face, Ajip. They will just say one small abiwa, they give money. A woman that is not even as rich as one of the richest women in those states, they give small money based on her confusion. All of them will just dance, fine-tune themselves, they smooth talk, they praise what? They praise medocracy. They praise medocrats. They praise idiotic values. They praise non-entity in the society. So, where is the truth in the land? If I may ask, where is the truth in the land? If I may ask. You see, I come with passion with you. You will call Esans dirty names. You call Esan disgruntled element. You never deem it fit to call your own brother monkey face. Your own Oremo brother monkey face that came to ridicule his heritage. You never deem it fit. What you did was to just find a cheap means, a cheap political blackmail because you want to fight for political activities. What did you do? You say because of say some certain people from Esaland insult whoever they insult. Based on that, you are going to propagate, you're going to prepare that whatever you don't have to say that Aswe Godalo will not be the next governor of Edo State. Based on what? Your selfish, idiotic, bigotry idea. That is what you have inside your empty skull. Your selfish, dirty, egoistic idea that you all have, that it will always be for you and you and you and you. You can monopolize everybody without bringing fair play, equity, which you don't have. What you cannot give, what you don't have, you cannot give. You people have been so monopolized to think in one direction, fine-tuned, stereotype. No fair play. So all about survival of the fittest. If you can hoodwink and get the crooked way to get there, you feel good, you clap. But when it wins, the odds are against you. You say, oh, you've been victimized. You've been segregated upon. Why don't you use that power? That Awainfo talk show. I've not even started. You see the passion that I start this broadcast. I never start. Why don't you use that passion that you use to call us disgruntled people that our enemies you called us to others? Have you ever called on authorities in wherever you hold loyalty or you hold alliance to call the disgruntled elements from your own tribe to order? That called us snakes. That they say if they see an Esa man, they should first kill an Esa man before they kill snake. What is that all about? Is that a statement of homogeneous people? Of being one Esa Bedo? If you see an Esa man, you first kill an Esa man before you kill a snake. What is that? What is that statement about? Have you ever thought it twice, or rather deem it fit to ask wherever that negative statement came from? But you come on air, or you say, you prepare, you feel people will not counterattack whatever idiotic ideology you've gotten, brainwashed, indoctrinated. People will not come to counterattack those indoctrinated ideas into your stupid head. We must counterattack it. Because we are in the era of say your own, make a talk my own. Who the argument this supreme pass go take the other day? How can you be cool to tell me you come to my house, you'll be senior inside my house? If I come inside your house, you go be senior. How can you be cool with that word? That Awainfo talk show. How can you be cool with that? How can you be cool with that? Is that those segregative statements? Is that not a statement that make another tribe to be inferior? You want to feel good, feel cool, be egoistic in your high horses. Nobody will counterattack you with those stupid fallacies, those stupid statements that you people have been making to be the other day for centuries. Then, what did you do? You came out to call us Asans and minorities. Asans is a small sector within the Orion local government. Let me listen to your words. Let me play your words for you. I told you I will beat you. I told you I'm going to beat you to eternity. Now put my cap. Now come on glass. Told you I'm going to beat you. I not get bald head though. Get hair. Get beards. I'm going to beat you like never before. Yeah, find your stupid broadcasts. Yeah, I can't analyze that for you. I tell you, say, because of you, I'll come back from work early. I can't play that your dirty, stupid audio where you make in the dark. You cannot be bold to come out the way I come out to talk on issues. I put my face on the line. I'm not a coward like you. Unda, OTT, Unda talk show. You go hear water. You go hear water from this table, from the home of Equality and Justice. You're gonna hear it like never before. You're just they're cool. They propagate some negative things. So selfish. Obaseki is going. Now, because Obaseki want to make equity and justice to play, now Obaseki is not the bad man. This same Obaseki, now una bring her come with every force, a euphoria like never before. After Oshomole we give una say he no want again, una say no, Oshomole na Godfather. Now let us enjoy Godfatherism. Let's enjoy it as to give us a governor. We are cool with it. What is good for the goose is equally good for the gander. This is where I stand. Not like we're gonna like him or not to. Obaseki. Who say Obaseki no go give us Igodalo? Na lie talk. Na lie talk. Now our turn, so go claim her. He good o, he not good o. He bad o, he not bad o. Let's try Anissa man. So make una shove una dirty pride into una garden throat. For once, shove that dirty pride. Una garden throat. Who they fear now? The truth need to be told. The truth need to be told. When they want to face reality, they want to hide like the ostrich where bury head under sand. Say if you not see nobody will see her. That's what you people do. Hypocrites. Yeah, find that your stupid old Jumia player. Yeah, find that me a player. Yeah, plan for you. Make I can't attack you. Worse for worse. Unda. Call us disgruntled elements. You put my picture there. You think you get sleep. You mother sleep. You will not sleep anymore. I find this stupid waiting OTT, sir. OTT Edo. OTT Unda talk show. Unda OTT. Awainfo talk show. I know you now. I know you. That time when I did tally. No fear, go put my picture there. Let me correct this music. I don't call it stupid music. It's just a fallacy. You cannot come to my house and be senior inside my house. I go buy you. You know if you come my house, come be senior. You be senior inside your house. Make una stop that propaganda. Why you not be senior for Italy where you did? Why you not go take her from the parliament, say that you be senior, you be Benin woman who die of talk show? Why don't you go to parliament in your commune there? Go to them, say you come from Benin City. They tell you, say, if you come so now you be senior. Go there, go try her. They not say you packing like the sack of potato that you are. If you will not be sent packing. Fallacies. You don't want to wake up from that stupid slumber. All these lies over the years. You cannot come to my house to be senior. You know the possible. We got to spill it out as it's supposed to be said. Right now. Take your house. Be your senior for your house. Me, I be senior for my house. Keep quiet there. You dirty senior you be. For your pocket. Not for my house. Yeah, make me hear where she will start. You die for talking. Lies upon lies over the years. People like you is going to bring a lot of misconception. You're going to aggravate people to come talk negatively. But I want to tell you some blunt facts. I hold the Reverend Palace in high esteem, but with the way they talk, I mean, we talk say some things where they go wrong over the years. Which Esa man get one proverb where we say if you see Benin man, you first keep Benin man before snake. Which Esa man call una say Benin the Saloha, una call us say Esa no Saloha. What is this all about? And the most thing where they baffle me, many of them are so unschooled with good and due and humble respect to the lenient ones that sees that this is not right. But most of them are the illiterate ones that were opportune to be trafficked to this Western world, just hold some dirty indoctrination to our head and think you can impart that knowledge into other people's head. People will clap for you and tell you, say, it is good. Ride on. All is good. It is sweet and beautiful. Obviously, you are still living in the archaic age, or rather the stone age. We've passed that era. We've passed that era. You should wake up from your slumber. Awainfo talk show. Make I play your thing. Make I play for you because I come out the music. I just pick some things there. Now be say I get any beef with the tradition of Benin. But I just want to talk to you. I have anybody to contend with. Because I don't fight. I fought more than you on this space to contend those who they speak ill of the palace. But people like Una, now they create that so much disharmony to go find trouble where trouble not there. Monkey Face is still alive today. It's still alive. The Ogiame family is still there. They are still living. Distorted history here and there. Being contested all over the world. No one know whatever, but we still know. We are still selling peacefully, still trying to let us live in peace and harmony. What did you do? You go put salt for injury. Can't call us disgruntled essence. Me, a whole me, disgruntled essence. That I have spoken of the palace. Who does speak of the palace? Your brothers and your sisters. So much. We talk of infantry. Your own son of una land from Bito, bring the wife of your back on this space. Bring the wife of your back, come this space. Come the contest. Come they give command. Do you think I did see it? Did I speak about it? I've seen it on TikTok all these years. Did I even go there? I knew. It's none of my business. Then what did you do? You said this go to Esa. Whereby, what did they out when they chop the wood, they inside the wood, you work up pusher because you don't want to come play political bigotry sentiments to get sympathizers that Ighodalo will not be the governor. You fail $1 billion times. Die for talk show. You fail before you start up. I will knock your engine before you start up. Before you start, I will knock your engine. So let's listen to you. Because of you not close to work early today.
Ina do le asefe na rotana na we ni do ile wa biuhie awe ti mare ile san ni ile do ni uwe san ile do me ni le zebe uhuna iga o ni lu ebo yewe edoma edo fama we elukumi zebe lo kianje owe Ihua or zebe na gbehe equal zebe na gbehe ihu.
When they want to commit evil, they're going to speak deep beneath witchcraft when they learn for coven. That witchcraft when they fly for midnight as they communicate in their evil demonic pit of hell. They're going to speak some deep languages. Like that small boy, MC Happiness, that witch of Bini. They're going to speak deep language. Because they're evil ways. They want to call in pattern for the light. Light and darkness can never meet. Wonder, I will talk to you. If you like, speak deep beneath till you go die. You will not make sense of this place. I promise you that. You will never make sense on this space. Truth, superior argument, superior knowledge will always beat you here. I promise you that.
So, my lovely brothers and sisters, a gracious, a lovely, a wonderful, amazing evening to you all. Welcome back to OTT Edo Talk Show. This place na platform where we for the speak truly on Edo culture and tradition. Here now where we for the try our little best for the preservation of our rich culture and our heritage, because I strongly believe that our culture is our identity, our culture is our name, our culture is our face. So now me, your sister, your friend, Awainfo, I dey do this video this evening not before hate. I dey truly want to use this opportunity and this medium to send this big message to my Esan people home and away, especially Esan elders, Enoje, the Duke in Esan land, the fathers, the mothers in Esan land. This one not be message of hate. I the human being to the best of my knowledge. I dey try to keep to my promise the little way I can.
It is a message of hate. Let me sink it down that your empty skull. It's a message of hate you sent to us as Esans, especially me, that I've told on the line of neutrality, being fair, to see some negative statement being made by your people to curtail them. I fought on this space. I fought like never. We should not do. I fought. They called me from Benin. Izobo Agbada called me. Igihon called me. Omede called me. Where were you at Awainfo talk show? When I was fighting monkey face every day on my page, my own gigabyte, my own money, my own phone, my own time. When I was coming from work every day, counter-attacking monkey face. I was a different meeting, but when they want to do the thing, they still look and say they don't wish whatever, because I don't even give a fuck, because later I can understand there's so many water that has gone under the bridge among themselves. They themselves are not even united. So I did what I did on my own, not expecting anything, but I did what I did because I felt the extreme argument of this boy called Monkey Face was something else like never before. That was what I did. But for you to come, for us now, the time for us to be governor, you want to come bring some sentiment, essence, this, some essence insult, some essence not insult. Then you had the infantry to put me there. That is why I say, I go beat you to eternity. I go beat you to eternity.
I do video in last month to give a message that I noticed one thing about some of our Asian brothers for the past social media. E get one particular thing where they do. Okay, I think to say 60% of them lack this awareness. Some of them, they lack this awareness that no matter, because as me, and I believe about other good those Benin speaking those that we are one.
Mama, I see your call.
Any
I want to play
difference
this woman
between
voice message.
But this set of
I want to play I want to play this
especially these faces I put here and the faces I cannot put on this video.
I'll call you later.
Over the years, they do one work on this social media to discriminate. Their job is to preach segregation. Their job is to preach hate. Their job is to preach tribal bigotry and so on and so forth for years now. All right, people like me.
What's happening?
Worship, thinking that one day they will have the same level of knowledge I have and other.
You don't have any level. Your level of knowledge.
This same.
Your level of knowledge is so minute. You don't have any level of knowledge. You don't have any iota level of knowledge. You won't done. Which knowledge you get? See one stark illiterate, one shower from the pit of hell, say get knowledge. Which knowledge you get? Which knowledge you have? Which knowledge you get? Level of knowledge. If you get knowledge, the knowledge is dead in the word knowledge.
Culture, this same good upbringing, when they make them realize say what they do is bad, than creating hate, discriminating, badmouthing one tribe of the other. If not well managed, it can lead to what we cannot imagine. All right. So I don't watch them for years, countless of years, doing the same thing over and over again. You see these faces of people here. You see this one here. Man gradually introduce them to you.
Good.
You see this one with black cap, Andrea Mofama.
Good.
You see this one with spectacle for him.
Punish you.
He named Ebogbe Okosun.
Woe betide you a billion times to call my name for that your idiotic platform. That platform, 1,000 stupid idiotic followers. Woe betide you a billion times to call my name for that your idiotic platform. Henceforth, now go out they sweep or everything, all the essence you upon your head. You say you go kill us, you be snake, you go sweep us. Come, you're welcome. You're welcome to my bypass tongue. I go beat you to eternity. I'm going to beat hell out of you like never before.
And you get one page that they call Asa Weather Forum or so. You see this one with medicine on top of her head. Her name na Lovely. She go the bear her baby papa name each other. Though they not marry her, she just a bear her baby papa name, but her name na Lovely. You see this one with a yellow cap with a orange jacket. His name na Festus. He dey live for Paris. This one with spectacles, so they Germany. This one with cap, they Italy. Why this other one when we are this native, yes, so they France. Why this woman when they call Odonoje, this very one, she dey Spain. You see, why I put all these pictures here, I not gonna put this picture here because me as a do person say I dey fear or any other person dey fear. No, I not gonna put and say me not go fit on my live video. They do the exact thing where they do to Benin people, to Asa people, because any person when fit on live video, they disrespect the father, the mother of another person. Clearly shows that that person not get respect for your father and your mother. Okay, the reason why I dey do this video now be say I can't use that same message. I know say this one not be the fair.
I want to ask this dementia patient called Hunda OTT whatever talk show Hunda Awainfo talk show we go live for Pahitro head. Say Pahitro duper for whatever whereby na she be the on awares, on schools, on educated individual we don't know what to do. We don't know what to do. Which day I challenge you, bring one video where I can make some nasty statements to the reverend authorities of Benin. Bring one. Bring one. Then I will bring you 100 videos I have done to support, to propagate against those people that take march to the palace in Benin. I don't need your recognition. People who recognize me know me already. They know me that I stood firm. I never saw that. When Monkey faced the campaign for Obaseki, I was there propagating, fighting against Monkey Face over the years. But what you didn't see, you didn't deem it fit there to come and say, this man when Monkey Face, they support to Monkey Face, don't take mad, go meet the authority in Benin. You never deem it fit or thought it wise to think towards that direction. But now that we've been so much marginalized for more than 18 years, you want to bring some soft, sentimental, bigotic statements that some individuals have insulted. Based on that, a major tribe should be disenfranchised, should be, their human rights should be taken from them to participate in their God-given land. Hi. Now you say you get sense. You dey knowledgeable. I go to beat you on this game, sha. I go to flush you like the incompetent idiot that you are. Like the unschooled idiot that you are. Like the illiterate that you are. Like the ashawo where you be. I go to beat you. Let us continue to listen to your nonsense. Because they used to say, out of every nonsense, some sense there, but your own altogether are nonsense. No sense.
Message, me, Awainfo, wounded civilian, and Mama Miller, and other Edo platforms.
The wounded civilian when you call, that one. That anyone anywhere below face, when you call wounded civilian, you call insult me, you say I go fear. You plus wounded civilian, I go beat you now for this cyberspace. You, I go let come out Mama Miller. Who be wounded civilian? Was not wounded civilian that propagate support of Baseki like never before? We were saying no go back. Now they say talk back. Now you don't back. Who is wounded civilian? If you look wounded civilian to be your mentor, say you call wounded civilian and drop out call Shiva, you are just still learning. You never learn. You never learn. Who be wounded civilian my foot? For all I care. That hat anywhere below face at whatever I say is an activist. What activist is? Looking hungry, looking for everywhere. But somehow I saw him sometime in Mega Comics program. Still asking, why is it not the turn of the essence? I will not take that away from him. But don't feel I'm intimidated by his whatever. His attitude on this space is not better than mine. Never will it be better than mine.
Don't say that Esan Eloji, Esan Duke, make una call una children to order with all due respect. Because the last I checked, you can hardly get a Benin speaking.
I'm not blaming you, Awainfo. Where you not go feel mindful, you go always be a mugu. You not fear. You just sit down. The address inside no game. The time where this small boy MC will be MC bitterness. Raise man to go meet the segregate Asa, say Asa not go feel rule. Did we come say, oh, we are calling on the Reverend Palace to call that MC bitterness order? You know fear. You know fear. Asa Enoge should call. What have we done wrong for crying out loud? What have we done wrong? We're only projecting that we should have equal feed, level feed, so that the game goes. They're sweet. Dog they play, two dogs they play. You fall for me, I fall for you. Now I play it is sweet, but you don't have monopoly over that state. When it comes to the political terrain of that land, you don't have the monopoly. It's not your God-given right. We're not living in a monarchic system of government. It is democracy, for crying out loud. You understand enough, you understand, say, that constitutional government is not the old Benin Empire of time immemorial. We are not living in a democratic era, a government based with laws, constitutional government, not with your negative thinking, your indoctrinated thinking, that you were indoctrinated with history. It's not as you think it. No palace hold authority anymore in Nigeria. No palace can give one law anymore in Nigeria as it is. It's the earlier you people begin to understand this fact, the better for you to rephrase or rather redirect your thinking. There's no king in Nigeria. We are not in a monarchy system of government. No king in Nigeria, no king in Edo State, no king in Lagos State. Make I specify them to Edo State alone now. Say maybe have one hatred. We are in a constitutional government. The governor of the state reigns supreme above anything. Is the number one person in the state. When it comes to security, law, and order, it is bestowed under him to prepare, put every necessary efforts to sanitize the land. It's not bestowed on any chief, on any enoge, or rather any oba, or any MI in Nigeria to cater for security. It is not their right. Make I educate you. Down one for talk show. But all of Nigeria think, Benin Kingdom used to be the greatest empire. But that was then. The palace have been stripped of all powers when it comes to constitution. It has been, it is just respect, homage the government give to the palace. Not as if the palace have any constitutional right in the law of Nigeria today. No palace have any rights over Nigerian constitution. So the earlier you people begin to sink this deep truth into our head, now we don't understand reality. So let's go.
A person, a Benin person from Edo, when just open platform, when he say they insult the NOJ in a salam, say they insult the Odiowe, say they insult their father, their mother in a salam. Not be say we know if we do one. Okay? But we cannot stoop so low and go inside gutter. Like all these women children. Like all these faces we see here. Not be say we know if we do like them. But the truth be say, it get very difficult for me to.
Now see where God me piece of our vessel that close to okay. I say, I'll come beat this woman. All these women children. All these women children begin to cast aspersion on my person. So wait for me. Let's you just call for a walk. We continue from here. Let's dig it with research, with knowledge, superior knowledge. If you think you, with your own idiotic ideas, can influence the order or the direction where the voters, whatever will go, you're just being confused and you are hallucinated. Like the hallucination all of that day, they live in fool's paradise. We don't want to face reality. We don't want to face the order of the day. I don't read comments if it's for pro or against me. So be it, but the fact need to be told. Because this Western world today, don't fool with stark illiterates that cannot project anything good from the black race. When they think rationally, they think stereotype one way. You've been indoctrinated, this is the way to think, so shall it be. Not objective, not versatile in your thinking, opinions. You celebrate mediocrats, saga, cause insult, adulterous, destroy our marriages. These are the artisans of your own people. I've never seen you come to ask what is wrong with you as a people. Inside, you never come to really put your energy to ask what is really wrong with you people as a people. Backbiting, eating yourself. What a shame. If I talk about that, now you come and say, I be anti-Benin. No, I'm anti the evil, the E's in Benin. I'm anti every E in the society. That has been my major calling. I don't separate I don't pamper one, and I don't pamper none. I see them anyhow I be. I don't care who is being God. I spit it out and clear. Not because I say I don't want to do, I don't want to talk. I have a lot of things doing. I just relocated from Italy to Ireland. I know how much it cost me. You think it's easy? You think it's easy? Try it and see. If you know, it will crumble. If you know, constitution will come beg. Put in my acts in order, try to systemize my family, doing a lot of things. Then you come, call my name. Come put 1 year picture. Come they call, say Andrea Mofuma. Now anti whatever. Then let me be. If you say so. But my records will prove me that I was never. If now you can't turn me to, so be it. But you not finish, you not wish to turn me to. I will speak objectively in the ease. What I see going wrong in what you people are doing. You people are up no good. Many of them are not just good at all. Let us call a spade a spade. Let it be said as supposed to be said. Many of them are they confused. Many of them do not get society, do not get moral values, do not get what they call discipline, do not go to what they call honor. It's a fact. Look at the social media. Look at what your people are doing. Jumping, supporting nonsense. Support just because of small money. You will leave the shores of Nigeria, come westernward. You cannot walk as a man, waiting for the loophole of one woman. Make sure they give you 200,000, 500,000. They prophesy negativity. They see what you know, no. They prophesy. Now so snake come up for Toto. Now so one thing, what you already don't do this scam. You want to start them again. You want to start them in another dimension. No, she say, una get something wrong with una. Seriously.
One, because me and not be from the gutter. Person went there home training. You can, and in all day, they also do this video to challenge ASA people. And not even they say some. Generally,
I want for one that you not get home training. It's either your papa lack moral values to impart upon your stupid head, or your mama lack them. Both ways. Because now where you know rich, you want to exhibit, say, now so you want to give the word. What you don't have, you cannot give. So when you know rich, it's maybe you there for worse than gutter. That is where you know rich. Because you didn't say you know, whereby you be mumu, you don't know nothing. You don't know a dime. Seriously, you don't know nothing. You want go gutter, whereby gutter say, gutter too good for you day. Gutter it too fine compared to this your dirty video we do today. What you do yesterday, wherever you do, whenever. You want go gutter, they talk, your mouth and gutter. Your mouth they leak. Everything about you was fast gutter. You don't want to go gutter. Tell that to the Marines, not to me, not to Andromorphoma. Tell that to the birds, not to me. Unschooled element like you.
some people, make una go bring out any social media platform. When it be say, na Benin person get them. Where therefore they insult una eloje in a salon. Where therefore they insult una fathers, una mothers, una generation, una culture, una tradition. I can tell you guys, in all day.
I see that resentment in you. You are just born to be anti-Esan. And may woe betide a kind of you 1 billion times, any day, anytime. Your fathers and your mothers, your generation yet unborn, are cursed. Curse will be their portion all the days of their life. It's just being sentimental. You never see where some of una they insult in all day. Even though I don't want to say they insult, make I call use a counter attack. Because there must be some recluse in every society. Be you Esan, Bini, Auchi, or Igbanke, Urubos. There are some bad people in every tribe. So I will not generalize, but for you to come, they talk in all day. You not get sense. You are so senseless. Seriously so senseless. In all day. Now Esa propagate this whole thing. Which Esa, you don't see where start this thing. Not be una brother, una pikin, Mofi Uyi start this whole thing. Being initiated, being sponsored by the Ogiame family. Then you can't recruit some people. They want to put her because wherever they come, they come from Esa now. You can't take and say, na Esa mission. If it's a fight for their rights, say, naturally, you people are just too egoistic. That's why I said, when I will talk, say, now come my house, come be senior. It's not possible. You know, if you come my house, come break cola. Never. You know, possible. You know, if you come, Benima cannot come to my house and break cola. That one for your figment of his own imagination. Benima cannot come to my house and be senior in my house. That is so figment. The widest figment of his own stupid imagination. For all I care. You come my house, you come be senior for inside my house. Oh, that's slavery. I don't be slave to anybody. We'll not get slave for Esau. We'll not be a Vien. Esau is not get anybody to call. Esau not go a Vien for their language. We'll not get slave for our language. We are no slave to nobody. If not choose to be slave, now your own cup of tea. We live in a free world today. I cannot see one tribe where you get one word so they will claim glory to be slave. So let me know just go there. We are not slave, and we can never be slave to nobody. So that being said, that be done. May I listen to you? We can never be slave to nobody. Not in this dispensation, not in this time, not in this global world, this global village that we are today.
If any Asa person home and away around the world, fit bring out 3 platform of a Benin person from Edo State when open social media platform where they saw Enojo of Urome, Enojo of Ubiaza, Enojo of Bele, Enojo of Wokini, go and bring it out. If you not see 5 bring. Me I go see 400 Asa people video. When they say they talk to the palace of Benin, when they say they talk to Edo people, as you can see these faces here, person like this, Andrea don't do social media for years. Person like this mad woman, lovely.
My name go buy you. That my name you call go buy you 1 billion times. My name must buy you. I don't know this social media for how many years. Bring one video where they come out. Conquers as passion on your dirty, idiotic head. Because now you, I will be pouring salt. Every day I wake up. Every day. I want for talk show. That thief for Pereira, where go live for Pahicho head. Won't die. We don't know embassy for Rome to do by itself. A Jew, a confirmed Mugu, a Confucianist, an idiot. Can they talk? Where may I be talk? Why can I educate for the same space? Where may I for the educate people? Your negativity go buy you. Go buy you. Your negativity go buy you. Things are ready for you. Yesterday when I heard that this message, I saw the boy. I said, God, meanwhile I say I want your chi. Make her observe. Make her to take my time. Take the fine how I go take cut that one way we just a lie back and front. They look, make her use the look. They do my game plan. Go find my trouble. Come put my tribe that I hold in so much high esteem. Come call us the disgruntled. I will teach you the meaning of disgruntled. I will tell you the dictionary meaning of disgruntled. I'm going to make you a disgruntled person. That's what I'm going to do to you.
Social media for years. And many more. When I go see mention, you get one man that they call her, what's it they call her? Doraf Okosu. I don't they follow that guy. Now lovely ex-boyfriend though, that is some man where they Netherlands. I even forget to put his face here. That man go write a post. He go generalize all Benin women. They call their enemy dog. Many of his posts. When he see me say, me draw my attention to run, I go there, he go delete her. If they always go to a platform like Frank Victor platform, any social media platform where they for the insult beneath people, now there you for the see Doraf Okosun, now there you for the see, and you go to see wetin they write for them, where you for the insult in mother, in entire family generation. You see the faces of these Asa people are not they get anyone when I will say some, no. Because all these women are trained children, women not raised them well. Yes, I think to say some people did a very bad job.
They not train you well. All these miscreants want to export to this part of the world, and they train well. See, kettle they call pot black. Awainfo Umunda, OTT Umunda talk show. Why you be like this? Why are you a confirmed hypocrite? If they talk who they not train well, look at the trademark, look at the antecedents. Not be your people, Shentru. Fuck, they fuck married women. Not be your people that are feeling cool with it. It is good business as usual. Is this a kind of a offspring of a well-trained child? This is the way your people there's a bit today. They will do Shentru, use women like toy. They don't want to walk like men. They believe. Inside that belief, some people that they born today get the mentality, say, if you still call you woman, he go survive with woman. That has been the indoctrination over the years for a very long time. So, which society not get traditional values of being firm, being strong, being able to hustle like a man does? They say now we did not train. We Asas. Look, check out the records. Look at. Na Asa mam na be Ajetoto. Na Asa mam be Domumu. Na Asa mam be from Frank Victor. Where they jump from one table to another. Abiyewa. Na Asa mam be MC Papilo. Man. What are you going to tell me? I'm a godfather in this Edo cyberspace. Not if you tell me, I go beat you, I go floor you on this game.
Of this disgraceful element when they see for this my video, so I can't do this video to Asa emoji. Not be only on our children, sabi talk o. Una know say when we beneath people sit down for matter, I'm here. This one not be insult. Now message to all lesser people. I not put in my jockey for here now. I not put we say they call other ones for here now. I not put the menu.
Make a fast forward that you not make sense. Make a push and go that place so you want to talk say and you come become the political guru. Now you go determine the swing, the wave of the votes of the Edo people, the good, conscious Edo people, where deem appeal to know say it is high time power shift to Edo Central. You say because of this your baseless argument, senseless argument, you want to swing, you want to give some nonsense argument that you not get. Where you go there for there. Your page than 1,000 followers. You not get people like me. You not get men, cackles inside the chambers. You want to talk. Where are they talk? You're a baby. You're a learner. May I shift that for you? May I see.
And I will begin turn everything to sentiment. And I will begin look for people to pity una. I see one NOJ of any Esalam or any elderly person stand up and condemn waiting their children they do for social media. They should give the person the ticket. It's not going to be about emotion and sentiment. Nobody will make to swear for courtesy, to swear for all those people. Some ESA people go carry that video to their wall. And this is when I talk. I get proof. I get video proof. Which I go dey play something na just now. Imagine, this one not be disrespectful. ESA, all the ESA land put together, not even reach Oriomo. It not even reach Oriomo. They not even reach 16%.
Now lie, you lie. You lie. Big time lie. ESA, pass ESA's indigens. Wait, they not Oriomo. They pass 60%. ESA's were there for those South. Pass 40%. You can see what would they mobilize this time around. We are beginning to disseminate information to our people. Go back and vote for an ESA candidate. That is the new message. That egoistic, traditional idea to monopolize that thing, because we said the thing said will be one. ESA and Bedo, but when I get those different dirty phrases, say they see us, they will first kill us before they will kill snake. We don't learn our lesson. No. We've learned our lesson the hard way. Most especially these uncircumcised prostitutes where code don't catch their brain for Western world. They don't get any rational way to think better anymore. They just believe, say yes, because they have been bastardized, destroyed, traumatized. They are all what do they call it? PTSD syndrome. These people, they traumatize. They are depressed. 99.9% of them are depressed. They stop human trafficking. Human trafficking was their only major source of sustaining, opening pussy, in the trade of pussy. That is being their major source of livelihood in the Western world. When that thing was stopped, a lot of them got into depression, a lot of them died. And if you also survivor, not feel revived, get themselves back again. They never feel be themselves. What they do now, they come to Facebook to exhibit and show their anger, their fury, their bitterness, negatively, supporting idiotic ideas, bringing Dido, propagating some unnecessary ideas, Dido, being naked, being nude, TikTok, Facebook, name it. Who are the pioneers doing this? Now people. Awainfo, you will learn. You will learn from Andrea Fuma. You will learn. I just want to get there when you talk about politics, because you'll be green horn when it comes to politics. So make I just beat you for that politics. Make I quickly leave you, because you know what by time. But I tell you, I will beat you. When I come, I will beat you. I'll not be your mate for this cyberspace. I know if it be your mate. If I talk, I know people who are they talk to, not be your class of people of your class. You are too minute. You are too under me. You are too little.
Imagine an elderly man, Esa man, from Esa land, they grant interview, they talk say a whole Benin come from Esa land. That is to tell you that the problem now, if they campaign for Aswan Godaro, if they use that same platform, they speak negativity against the papa and the generation. You not go expect me, a true son of a true daughter of the ancient city of Benin, to come cast my vote to a man that has, his brother and his sister has been insulting my own father. Erion Beluwa. Abelion Beluwa.
Èmi á gbelu wa.
Enuwa we say no kiziga gbuwa je gbuwa.
Isika will kill all of una. Ogun will kill you. Ogun will get it wrong this time around. Èmi á gbelu wa. You dey mad. You come say you want to respect us because they insult us. Èmi á gbelu wa. Now that same Èmi go kill you with whatever you identify with. You think we are pushovers? Who's afraid of you? A greenhorn? Look at such impunity. That place I hear, my body hot. That's why I give you shege, waka. Awainfo, Unda, waka. That's your short body for Pereira, waka. I'll call Pahitro. Look at get your details. Waka, I want for Unda. You want to come to politics. Politics where you don't know. You don't know what to be words. You don't know nothing you know about politics. You don't know who be the first how the political structure how it take encompass. You don't know what to be democracy. Who initiate democracy? You don't know. Constitution, you don't know. You don't know what it takes to even define what is constitution. You come say, Èmi go kill you. Èmi go buy you. What unfortunate, what impunity do you have to come on camera? Come put my picture there. You beating more than you can chew. For that Ferreira, you go see. Because you get enemies. You get enemies there. That's why you hide for darkness. You don't tell me, say, you be short, you be midget. Very ugly thing. You want to become native doctor. Want to prophesize. Come scam. You are dead on arrival. Your mission, your talk show, Ilele, OTT, whatever is dead, unacceptable. I don't strike that page already. I strike her. From nothing next tomorrow, you will see. That page, where you put my picture there. If that page work again for you, you will not say my name, not be Andrea Mofuma. You will be tied you a billion times. You not fear. You ain't beluwa. Say you, oh God. See this greenhorn, my people. Oh, shit. Our people die for lack of knowledge. A lot of people will go down. Seriously. From their actions or inactions. Many of them will go down. That is why I laugh at Frank Victor today. I laugh at him. If I just sit down, I'll just chill. If I didn't walk, how can a man be this so stupid because of peanuts? You think you can insult everybody and you go scot-free? And this idiot just thinks you just come give maths. Come say they prepare tribal argument, tribal bigotry, tribal sentiment. You want to take some cheap point because he knows that this is the soft spot. Some of his cohorts, some of them that are so ignorant. Keto. She just feel if you come talk this kind of thing now, all is well. Now she will be celebrated. She has done something so spectacular, something so beautiful, something so great, something that no one has done before. She thought that she would just do this. I not call anybody. I not tell anybody. I not tell Okosu say what you talk. I not tell Lovely say what you talk. But I deem it fit say, as the warrior that I am, I'm going to beat the nonsense out of the head. I don't need any squad. I don't need any crowd to beat sense into that your empty skull. Because your skull is so damn empty. For all I care, for all I know, your skull is so pockling, so damn empty. Just think you just come It's Asho Godalo, your mate. Asho Godalo, whether you like it or not. If you like, go hawk transformer. Asho Godalo is the next governor of Edo State. That's a bitter pea. You should learn how to swallow right now. There's nothing Tinubu can do. Tinubu is illegitimate. Tinubu leg for there, not too strong. Tinubu get a lot of things to face on his own. To come rig Edo State election. Can't use federal mic, can't do it. Hey, it's not possible. And thank God say, a Maton of Baseki. Now, action man. That time when they campaign for POI, I said this man, na evil genius. He beat Oshomole. He beat everybody. Under APC-led presidency. That is a man. I say, this time around, I will not fall into the losing team. Not because of saying losing team, but now he's projecting my own person, my own tribe. Ha! I'm not going to see wearing 1.4. Where better to come my place, I can say no. Even at all, let the power shift. It go bring development come our side. That's been here with Tree Road. Even though federal government not do one, it go see no say that road where go pass, go away me. It go see door for our people. So you will not stop me. That time will tell and say, Oshoma power plant, na fallacy. Na say, no, who will be? What will bring our head? No, na quarter. 200,000 job, na fallacy. Oh, Mafuma, anti-Bini. Industrial park, news. Oh, Mafuma, he don't mad. Now, me, now one call playing this game. Say, when I know where the thing they go, when I know a maton, when I know say a maton is a man, you know they push it to one hand. Tinubu will get enough problem. Where people they hungry, you come to Edo State, can't do anyhow. Make una go sleep. Make una go sleep. Make una go sleep. In Aswa Igodalo, I stand. Esa oye, oye. My people were there. Esans were there. Share this to us on platform. I never start campaign. I said I can't beat that small one. That ant. To be ants. I never start campaign. When campaign start proper, we go finish work. We're going to finish work. Properly. The power must come to Esan land. For equity, fair play, and justice. Anybody who speak contrary to that fact is just a selfish, which adjective I take qualify that kind of person? A selfish person that should be taken to the Sambisa forest to be given to Boko Haram for sacrifice. That's what that person is. So finally, I think I've been able to pass my message across. Awainfo talk show, you are a learner. You never learn. You never learn. You still be baby for when me I did the talk. You never sabi talk. Because I be hardworking man. I not get tired because they do video every minute. But if I sit down, say I want to do video, I channel my energy. You know go and sit down there. You're a learner. So I wish all of you a very wonderful night. See my face. Island sweet too. I don't leave Italy. See my color. See my skin. Island, they sweet me. I they enjoy. I they enjoy. I paid my dues. Seriously, I paid my dues. I didn't wait for anybody to go help me. I helped myself. Personally, I help myself. I help my family. That's what a man does. I was never lazy all my life. I did create, I did produce. I don't wait for nobody. That's what a man does. Not lazy duck ass like Uhunda. Awainfo talk show. You got me to contest. Wait for me. I'm coming for you again. I'm done, my people. Good night.